What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about constructing angles. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to name angles. So the first way that we can name an angle is we can say angle A, B, C. We could also name it C, B, A, as long as the vertex is the same. So this is saying in a triangle labeled A, B, C, we're talking about this angle right here, from A to B to C. But that same angle is from C to B to A. We could just say the measure, M, of angle B. And the last way that they might do it is they might just say this angle is angle 1. So then they might just say angle 1. Now for measuring purposes, let's look at the angle AOB. So from AOB. Because it's less than 90 degrees, we're going to look at the short side of our protractor. So it's 30, a little bit more, so 35. But if we were to look at the measure of angle AOE, from AOE, this angle is wider than if it was just 90 degrees. So we use the bigger numbers. So it's between 140 and 150. So we'd say the measure of angle AOE is equal to 145 degrees because it's between 150 and 140. So what if they give us a diagram like this and they want to know all the different angles? Well, first, our angle theorem says that the number of angles minus 2 times 180 will tell us the measure of each angle. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides times 180, which means that there are 4 sides times 180, and 4 times 180 is 720. So all the angles inside add up to 720. Well, I only care about this one angle right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So 720 divided by 6 means that this angle right here is 120 degrees. And then all angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus 120 would be 60 divided by the 2 angles we have left, which would mean each of these angles is 30 degrees. Over here, this shape right here is 90 degrees. So I know that 15x minus 43 and 8x plus 18, that's all going to equal 180 degrees. So I combine like terms. So 15 plus 8 is going to be 23x. And then 18 minus 43 is going to be negative 25, equal to 180. Add 25 to both sides. I get 205. And then divide both sides by 23. I get x is equal to 8.9. Then I could take this number, plug it back in for x to find each individual measure for RSQ, and then plug x back in to find the measure of QST. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.